QuickTour is a cost-effective, web-enabled VR solution. These immersive models are a fast, affordable way to overcome most people's inability to translate a blueprint into a tangible idea of what a property will be. The models are effective for planning, approvals, and capital raising, in addition to sales and marketing. QuickTour is a powerful marketing aid for any property, whether it is the sale of land with approvals or a building under construction to be sold or leased. A VR model will make the offering and your brand stand out. QuickTour is great for property repositioning and releasing. Easily show the vision and possibilities to prospective tenants and capital partners. QuickTour is ideal for targeted marketing. A property can be branded and configured for a specific buyer or tenant to show the property is ideally suited to their wants and needs. QuickTour models are easy to use in social media, listings, e-marketing, and websites. Start marketing your property sooner, more easily, and effectively show the various finish options to get to the buy decision faster. Renderings can be captured from any QuickTour model, eliminating the need for static architectural renderings which are typically equal or greater in cost. The result, more profitable projects from reduced sales, marketing, and carrying costs.
We look forward to being your VR service provider.